economic team, ang kanilang plans and programs at yung mga nagawa nila for the past. Pero nakita ko po yung schedule ng ating budget briefings sa pre-plenary. Wala po doon, hindi po nakaschedule yung House of Representatives. So is there a law that exempts the House of Representatives from presenting the budget to our colleagues before it goes into plenary?
In previous years po, if I may respond to Representative Tiangco, in previous years po, there are certain agencies who do not have pre-plenary hearings. They go straight to plenary. So it's not just the House of Representatives or Congress of the Philippines in general. There's also SUCs. There are no pre-plenary deliberations. Even the other OEOs, the other executive offices po, hindi na po natin isinasalang sa pre-plenary budget hearings.
Pero po, Madam Chair, ang laki po ng budget ng House of Representatives, no? Nasa 30 plus billion. Halos kasing laki lang siya ng DOST. So bakit hindi po natin siya idaan sa pre-plenary hearings? Kasi dapat natin malaman kung paano ginastos yung budget ng House noong 2025, paano ginagastos yung 2026, at ano po yung basihan ng 2027 budget proposal. At kadalasan, nagpropose po ang House ng insertion na mas malaki pa doon sa original budget. Just like 2026, no? 16 billion lang po ang NEP natin, pero ang total budget is 35 billion. So mas malaki pa. Tapos hindi man pre-present. Paano po kami magtatanong sa plenary kung hindi naman pre-present po sa budget briefing yung mga pinagkagastusan? So I would like to request, kung wala namang legal exemption o constitutional provisions that exempt the House of Representatives, we must go through exactly the same process as other departments. Dapat po ipresenta po yung budget ng House of Representatives kung wala po tayong tinatago.
Definitely po, Kong Toby, definitely wala po tayong tinatago. As was the case last year, when the budget of the House was presented during plenary, tinayuan po ng isa po sa ating mga vice chairpersons, si Vice Chair Maricar Zamora, tinayuan niya po yung budget ng Congress of the Philippines, and we opened the deliberations on that. But if the request of the Honorable Tiangco is to do a pre-plenary for Congress, we will submit that to the for consideration of the House leadership, because usually naman po it's something like it's not just the Congress of the Philippines budget. As I mentioned before, there are a lot of OEOs na other executive offices na hindi na po natin dinadaan sa plenary. So we will definitely submit that for the consideration of the House leadership.
Madam Chairman, why do we have to submit it? This is about transparency. This is about the budget of the House. May question na nga kung bakit MOOE natin by by certification. So bakit hindi natin ipakita kung paano ginastos? Yan lang naman ang tanong eh. Yes or no?
Yes po. We are one with you, Representative Tiangco, in
Ma'am, you are one with
pushing
me,
for
but you are just
transparency.
You're circling around the question. So I want to know bakit ayaw natin i-pre-plenary yung budget ng House of Representatives.
Kong Toby, just to be very clear, we are not saying no. We are saying that this is not a decision that I can make right now. That is subject to the consideration of the House leadership. So again po, I am not saying no. Again, we've done so many reforms to promote transparency. We've done the BARC, bukas na po lahat ng mga amyenda, pinapakita po natin line by line, not just in the House, in the level of the House of Representatives, but even at the level of the Bicameral Conference Committee, pinapakita na rin po natin lahat ng amendments. So again, if this is a push towards transparency, most definitely po, we will support this, but this is not a decision that we can make at the moment. This needs to be submitted for the consideration of the House leadership.
Madam Chair, you're not saying no, but you're not saying yes also. Diba? I mean, ano bang problema? What is the problem? Why don't we ask the House leadership? Nandyan man si Speaker, nandyan man si Madjo. Ba't di lang natin tanongin?
Again po, I am unable to say yes or no to that question because it is not my decision to make. I would have to, again, submit this for the deliberation of the House leadership. And we will rest assured po what the assurance that I can give. If it was within my jurisdiction, I would have been able to decide right here and now. But please give us some time to submit this for the decision and deliberation of the House leadership.
But that is no assurance at all. 2025 ang NEP po natin 16 billion. Nag-insert po ng 17 billion ng House, naging 35 billion yung budget. 2026 ganun din. 17 billion ang NEP, 27 billion ang GAA. So ibig sabihin nag-insert ulit ng 10 billion. Tapos ayaw natin dumaan sa pre-plenary. So anong problema?
Kong Toby, I would like to reiterate that this is not an insertion. This was deliberated in the plenary. Although there was no pre-plenary for the budget of the Congress of the Philippines, the deliberations on the budget of the Congress of the Philippines was opened up during the plenary. All members were given the opportunity to propound questions to the budget sponsor last year. So although there were no pre-plenaries for the Congress of the Philippines in the past budget hearings, meron pong pagkakataon ang lahat po ng mga miyembro na suriin yung budget ng Congress of the Philippines pagdating po ng plenary deliberation. So if again the request is to have a pre-plenary for the Congress of the Philippines budget for this year, I will most definitely po, the assurance that I can give at the moment is that I will submit it to the wisdom of the House leadership.
Kung ganun pala, pwede naman palang sa plenary lang magtanong, bakit pa natin sila pinadadaan sa pre-plenary? Tapos tayo, ayaw natin idaan yung sarili natin sa pre-plenary. Pwede naman pala, di ba? Kung yun ang sagot niyo, kasi last year, ganun, yung House hindi dumaan sa pre-plenary, tapos sinagot lahat ng tanong sa plenary. Bakit lahat ng departamento pinadadaan natin tapos tayo hindi? Anong pagkakaiba?
Madam Chair, point of order.
Go ahead.